A relay is an electrical device that is used to control the flow of electricity in a circuit. It is a switch that is operated by an electromagnet, allowing it to open or close contacts in response to an electrical signal. Relays are widely used in various applications to control high voltage or high current circuits using low voltage or low current signals. Here are some key aspects of relays. 1. Construction. A typical relay consists of a coil, a set of stationary contacts, and a movable armature. The coil is usually made of a copper wire wound around a core, creating an electromagnetic field when a current passes through it. The contacts are metallic plates that can either be normally open, NO, or normally closed, NC, depending on the relay's design. 2. Working principle. When an electrical current flows through the coil, it generates a magnetic field that attracts the movable armature. The armature is mechanically linked to the contacts, so when it moves, the contacts also move. In a normally open, NO, relay, the contacts are open when the coil is not energized. When the coil is energized, the armature moves, and the contacts close, completing the circuit. In a normally closed, NC, relay, the contacts are closed in the unenergized state and open when the coil is energized. 3. Types of relays. Relays come in various types, each designed for specific applications. Some common types include electromechanical relays. These are the most basic type of relays, using mechanical movement to open or close contacts. Solid-state relays, SSRs. SSRs use semiconductor devices like transistors or thyristors to perform the switching operation. They offer faster response times and higher reliability than electromechanical relays. Reed relays. Reed relays use magnetic fields to control reed switches, which are thin, magnetically sensitive metal strips that act as contacts. Time delay relays. These relays introduce a time delay before opening or closing the contacts, often used in applications requiring a specific time delay. Latching relays. Latching relays maintain their state even after the coil is de-energized. They require a separate pulse to change the state. 4. Applications. Relays find applications in various industries and systems, including power systems. Relays are used for protection, control, and automation in power generation, transmission, and distribution systems. Automotive. Relays are used in automotive electronics for functions such as starting motors, controlling lights, and operating power windows. Industrial automation. Relays are used for controlling motors, solenoids, valves, and other devices in industrial automation processes. Telecommunications. Relays play a crucial role in telecommunications systems for signal routing, switching, and circuit protection. Home automation. Relays are used to control lighting, HVAC systems, and appliances in home automation setups. 5. Advantages and limitations. Relays offer several advantages, including electrical isolation. Relays provide electrical isolation between the control circuit and the controlled circuit, ensuring safety and preventing interference. High voltage and current handling. Relays can handle high voltage and current levels, making them suitable for controlling powerful equipment. Versatility. Relays can be easily integrated into different circuit designs and can switch various types of loads. However, relays also have some limitations, including mechanical wear. Electromechanical relays have moving parts that can wear out over time, reducing their lifespan. Slow switching speed. Compared to solid-state devices, relays have relatively slow switching speeds due to mechanical movement. Size and cost. Relays can be larger and more expensive than solid-state alternatives, especially for high-current applications. Relays are an essential component in many electrical and electronic systems, offering reliable and efficient control over electrical circuits. Their versatility and ability to handle high voltages and currents make them widely used across various industries.